be presented by Mr. Josue Oblanica and Ms. Josefina Organo.
The donor of cash prize are former Mayor Nato Oblanica and Mayor Dita Oblanica.
Our third runner-up is candidate number 1. Down, 3 to go.
Yes.
Nato pa rin ba yung bet mo?
Ha? Ano na pa yung bet mo? Definitely. The second runner-up, the cash prize,
fourth runner-up gets 5,000 pesos in cash. The third runner-up gets 7,000 pesos in cash.
and now the second runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos. All the major prizes or the cash prizes are donated by former Mayor Nato Oblanica and Mayor Dita G. Oblanica. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mayor and ex-mayor. And our second runner-up,
To be presented by Mr. Khaled Karnadi and Vice Mayor Paz Rapanan.
the winner for second runner-up, Miss Villages 2013 is candidate number 17. Presenting the award is Mr. Khaled or Caleb S. Al-Karmadi, together with Vice Mayor Paz Rapanan.
She gets the trophy and the cash prize of 10,000 pesos.
10,000. Hold on.
First runner-up, and
Oh my God. Yes.
And to present the award for first runner-up, we have Mr. Ali Muhammad Abdullah and Mayor Dita Oblanica.
And the presenter for Miss Villages 2013 will be our former Mayor Nato Oblanica and Mrs. Beatriz de Vera Olivar, Mrs. Villages 2012.
First runner-up gets 20,000 pesos, and Miss Villages will
We will get
receive
30,000 pesos. What do you think? Nakakaloka.
And as I announced, the first runner-up, automatic yung naiwan siya ang Miss Villages 2013. Regine Navarrete of Zone 4.
Regine Navarrete is our new Miss Village.
Or our first runner-up is Ashley Colimid of Paracas.
Laura is our first runner-up. These ladies are equally beautiful, talented, and intelligent.
So, ang ating susunod ay ang fireworks display.
We will have now the fireworks display.
Pero natakpan muna ang ating Miss Village 2013. Regine Navarrete
How
of
about a
Zone
big
4.
applause to our winners, ladies and gentlemen? Congratulations. We are now witnessing the fabulous fireworks display.
In time for the crowning of our new Miss Village, Regine Navarrete.
Congratulations to the winners, especially to our top five, now led by Regine Navarrete of Poblacion
Senior host for Fabia
and Miss Omena Zarate.
saying thank you and good night.
God bless you all. Yes, please.
Ayan. Mabuhay Philippines!